today. Hi, Taylor.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Well.
So, a couple of setbacks, but hopefully nothing that can't be overcome. So we were supposed to have HVAC come in last week, and then materials delayed. Then it got pushed to Wednesday of this week, which was yesterday. And here we are Thursday on the 22nd and still no HVAC. So we were like, you know what? We cannot wait to put these floors down any longer. So we got Professor Deddy and Master Bador and Master Ethan on floors. Hopefully we'll finish that up within the next couple of days. And then what we'll do is probably just lay the big plywood that we have for the mat over the floors, just to protect them from the scissor lift for whenever they do get out here to do the HVAC. Yesterday, doors came in. Yay, waiting on those. However, Mr. Hugo got here to install the doors last night and found that the jambs were too high. So they had to send their guy back out here and lower the height of the door frame. So once this dries, then they can come in, get the doors installed, and then obviously we're gonna have to do some touch-up paint on both sides of these doors with the gray and the white. Other than that, everything's running pretty smooth. We got the mop sink room, we got the floor sealed, so we found out we did not really have to tile that or stain it. They said as long as there's a sealant on it, then we're good to go, so that's done. We did get the new lights into the bathrooms where they automatically come on when you walk in. City's gonna want that for efficiency. So, internet's in and working. So yeah, only thing left. But it's the main things, right? It's the HVAC, it's the floors, and then it's the mats. So once all that's in, we can call for CO. Hopefully we've dotted all our I's and crossed all of our T's, and we'll pass with one fell swoop. So yeah, that's where we're at.
So I got my mic here. So you have to pop a, what they call, you got to pop a line to make sure your tile and everything is running straight. And so obviously down here in the very beginning, you know, we may be like a 16th off. Looks like no big deal. But then after so many feet of laminate flooring, once we get down there, it's like, you know, 10 miles off. I'm exaggerating, right, for internet comedy. But, you know, it's such as life, right? You do some small little things in your life early on, and then later in life, they become big things. I was talking to Ethan about, you know, like investments or just relationships. You know, you just have small little increments of growth over time. Then later in life, you know, it becomes something big. And, you know, it sort of reminds me of TXPBA, you know, over 21 years ago now, one guy decided, you know what? I'm 21 years old and I'm going to be adventurous and I'm going to try to open my own academy. And look, 21 years later, 10 plus locations, now it's franchising and able to, you know, grow throughout the United States. So again, small little things, small little acts of discipline through your life become something really big later in life. So that's my, that's a 2-minute mindset with Master Donnie. So there you go.
My favorite part about the new space, I think, is just going to be the open concept of it all, and not having a wall dividing into another area. Everybody's going to be sharing this space together, parents and students alike. So I think it's going to be, I think it's going to build more community. And I'm also excited about the new mats that are coming in. Just as a practitioner myself, and being the age that I am, the mats are going to be like way better on the body. So yeah. What else? That's it. I mean, I guess the closer you get to being done, the fewer things there are. It's just the things that we need to do are huge, right? It takes a lot of time and we need it to operate. So that's just, yeah, we're odds and ends are pretty much done. We've done all the odds and ends we can do. Like we're sitting around here thinking, what could we be doing? But So this weekend, we're gonna be at the old space, kind of just cleaning up, packing, taking stuff down that we're gonna be bringing over that we really don't need to operate. Our plan was to hopefully be moved in this Memorial Day weekend since we're off for 4 days, but I don't think that's gonna be the case. We can start moving stuff in, but we just have to be able to operate over there. Oh, one more thing that is delayed. So obviously you've heard about our storage room and our mechanical room, and we're having professional shelving put in. That was supposed to be done today. Got a call yesterday saying, oh, we're delayed because of material. And that's why HVAC is delayed, because of material. So that's gonna be going in Wednesday of next week, which kind of sucks because I was excited about getting all my stuff at least in here, to not have to do it the day that we move. So anyway, you just have to laugh about it. You can't do anything about it, right? So yeah, so thanks for watching. We really appreciate y'all. Again, we're gonna say it every time. Thank you. Keep watching, keep commenting, liking, subscribe. This isn't gonna be the end of what y'all see from us. We're gonna keep putting stuff out there for you, but we just really appreciate y'all, and we will see y'all next time.